All right, hello, seventh grade. Hope all is well. So in today's folder, it says Marble Run Project. So in my head, I don't know how long this is going to take. We have until the end of the month to do so. So that's the due date I gave. So let me go over what this is going to look like. We click there. Obviously, we are section 5 today. So we have a few things. Number one, we have this presentation. This presentation is going to look, here, let me pause it. So I couldn't make a copy how it was, but it's going to look like this. It'll make your own copy. Your name will be up here where it says Marble Run Project. You could also put it here if you'd like. But this is going to be where you put screenshots, feedback, thoughts about what you're going to do, and all that good stuff. And then a final video of the final Marble Run. So you're going to be making 3 different Marble Run tracks. And then after you make all 3, you are then going to pick the best one, and that's the one we're going to bring in some first graders to play with. So what do you need to do? Well, underneath here, we have 2 things. We have the rubric. So how is this summative assignment going to be graded? So if you want to look through there, please do. Also is this. It says Marble Run. So if I click on that, that will take us to Tinkercad. And this is a starter kit. This is not a working Marble Run. These are just pieces. So if you do not want to use this one, you do not have to, but if you want to, you can click on Copy and Tinker. All right, and from there, it's all the other stuff that you've been doing in Tinkercad, moving things, copying them, reorganizing them, all that stuff. So we do have marbles. You can delete most of them and just have 1 or 2. All that you want to do, you can. All right, so whatever you would like to do. Okay, so you can delete whatever you want. You can move it. You can make copies. Some people have been making a bunch of copies of these little guys. Ooh, right here, like the tracks here. These wooden ones, and all that good stuff. So when you move things around, or even at the very beginning, what you can do is click on this little apple. So when I click the little apple, this is called the Sim Lab. It takes a little bit of time to load, so I'm going to press pause. All right, so once you're in the Sim Lab, you've changed, I think you can actually work from this area too. What you can do right here is see this little play button. So you'll click on that, and everything that can move will move. All right, so if you look here, this doesn't have a support, so this might drop down, things might fall, these marbles are going to move. This thing's on a ramp, so that should move. So let's find out what happens here. Oh, there it goes. Things are falling, things are moving. I don't know why this isn't falling. That's interesting. Things are moving. Oh, they hit the dominoes, and the dominoes are falling. That's awesome. Okay, so your job is to try and create the best marble run you possibly can. Each time you finish one, again, I think today is just for play and trying to figure things out. What you do is you come over and you take a screenshot of your first prototype and you paste it in here. Then you get feedback. You need to have people, I think about 3 people, play your track and give you feedback about how to make it better. Then you need to type in, what are you going to do to make it better? And then you do that. We're going to do that 3 different times. You also are required to play at least 3 other people's Marble Run projects and give them feedback. Okay, so this is where we keep track of all of that. Again, we will have until the end of the month. Enjoy this. It is difficult. Some people have been having a hard time with stuff, but just know you can do hard things and enjoy it. It's a choice. Choose to enjoy struggle.